Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella. And I would totally love if you join me in my YouTube adventures. So, click on the bell, make sure you're notified for all my new videos, and welcome to 2024. Oh my. Is this my first video back for 2024? Yeah, it must be. Well, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Y'all, before we get into this video, I just want to say, wow. 2023 for me was horrible. I mean, I'm not even kidding. It was so challenging. It was so challenging. It was a year that things happened that I just couldn't believe happened. Like I just couldn't. And I kept going with it because I mean I had nowhere to go, and I was like, wow, is this really going on in my life? Like, is it? Yeah. But in saying all that, y'all know I have a good attitude. And I always think there's always a reason for why things happen. And I try to embrace them as much as possible. And that's what I'm going to do this year. And I'm going to do that. But I am going to, we'll talk about that later. I'm going to make some concrete decisions because I can't keep being all in the air. And I feel like I'm very much in the air and I don't like that. I need something concrete. Okay. In saying all that, well, welcome to my little townhouse. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, 1970s, super outdated. Yeah, townhouse. It is tiny, but cute. And I live here. And I'm the type of person that says, no matter where you live, you need to make it yours, and you need to make it cute, and you need to make it feel like your own. I know this is not my own, obviously, okay? Let's be serious. Okay, but I'm here, and I'm studying. Y'all know I'm studying for my course, and I'm doing the thing, and I'm working hard to be better and do better. And I look around this place, and I'm looking around it now, and I'm thinking to myself, okay, none of this place represents me. None of this place says Bella lives here. So I want to change it up. A lot of my subbies have said, Bella, go thrifting. Well, y'all, I went. I didn't buy anything, but I went. And today I'm going. So we're going to go. I'm going to go today. So, I have a few clips. I'm going to take down my tree. I've moved my tree. It was over there. You could see it. Well, you can't see it anymore. It was over there. Everything's gone from the kitchen. Everything's gone. Hold on. I want to do a little winter decor. Yeah. How many of you know me? Most of my subbies know me. I can't stand winter. I mean, why did I agree to come here? I knew I didn't like winter, but I guess I wanted to see fall. So I in my head, I forgot what it was like. Okay, now granted, so far, winter here is not like upstate New York and yeah, it's not like that. It's not as severe winter, okay? So there's not like tons of snow. And I don't know if we're going to get tons of snow. We got snow yesterday. We had a little bit of ice. It's already melted. I'm looking outside. It's already melted. So I'm ready to go. Okay. I'm going to go to the thrift store. I'm going to go buy a whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to buy, I want to remake stuff or find vintagey looking things. I don't know. I have no clue where I'm going with my decor. No clue. I mean, the townhouse needs character, needs something. I took the banisters down, by the way. I took those yucky banisters down. I know you saw them. I got to fill in the holes, patch it up, paint it. Okay. I have a whole bunch of things happening this year. I want to build a fireplace box here, right here under my TV. I was also looking at this yesterday and trying to get ideas. I was thinking of putting a shelf above here, maybe put some decor. Thinking of getting another one of these lamps. I'm not a fan of it. Oz picked it out, and now that I look at it, I'm like, I don't really like that thing. But anyways, that's fine. I might put it up in the... Oh, I'm building myself... Speaking of that, I'm going to build myself a office / craft room for the first time ever. I have wanted to do this so badly, so badly. So I hope you join me for that. I have so many ideas. I want to do that. And the kitchen. The kitchen is going to have a huge transformation. I'm really debating on painting the cabinets. I have the green light from my landlord. I have the green light to do whatever I want. But I don't also want to leave him with something that will be maintenance required when I do leave. And I really like my landlord. I really like him. I love his family. They're the greatest people. Like, I mean, I lucked out. Listen, y'all, I'm in a really historical town. There's not a lot of new builds here. There's not big new houses that you can rent. There's little tiny townhouse complexes here and there. Everything's very historical. People don't really move. It's a blessing, and I mean a blessing that I got this house, this little townhouse. A blessing. And I count my blessings, or else I would have been like in a basement apartment. Yeah, let's not go there. So anyways, I love them. They gave me the green light to do whatever I wanted, however I want, whatever I want to do. And I'm just looking around. I want to do a whole kitchen series. So I'm going to work on that. But today we're going to go thrifting, and then we're going to come back and I'm going to show you what I got. All right, let's go. Okay, y'all, let's go shopping. Come on. But before we do that, I got my bag. I'm all ready to go. But before we do that, I got some clips to show you. So I'm going to roll the clips right now, and you can see what I've been up to. Hey, everybody. So I finally decided to get my act together and take down the decor. Did you watch the video with the New Year's Eve tree? I thought it was so cute. Now, I'm not keeping any of this stuff, so I'm just going to throw it out. This was done on such a small budget. I love those poppers. They were so much fun. We had a cute New Year's Eve. It was just us at home, relaxing, not doing much. So what did you all do for New Year's Eve? Did you have a good New Year's Eve? Can you believe it? 2024 is already here. I hope this motivates you to get your Christmas down. I know a lot of people still have it up. I can't believe it. I mean, usually I have all mine down way earlier. And I'm really motivated to get everything out of here and refresh the space. And I think I'm going to do a little bit of winter decor. So I might keep that out. But all the reds and golds, they got to go. And you know, it's unfortunate that I don't have any space to store my stuff, because I would have kept the ribbon. I think they look really good this year, actually. So this upcoming year, in the next few months, I really want to do a lot of DIYs and decor around the house and make this place my own and really make this kitchen shine. I'm going to show you how you can take any kitchen in the world and make it look high-end. I have so many plans, y'all. You're going to have to follow me and see what I really do with this kitchen, because it's going to be something different. Okay, speaking of refreshing, I got these curtains. I really love them. And I got some curtain rings. I just want to elevate my curtains and make them just a little bit more high-end for the living room, because I am going to switch stuff around in the living room. And like I've said before, I am going to build a fireplace. But these are so inexpensive, y'all. And these add such a designer touch to any space. So I'm going to take the rod pocket off and put the rings on, and I'll show you later on. But for right now, I'm going shopping, and I can't wait to show you everything I got. As I'm editing this video, I'm so excited to show you. And really, y'all, I'm really into this thrift haul. Oh, and by the way, I'm showing you how weird my windows look. And look at outside. It's already doom and gloom. Hello, my loves. I am back. I'm tired. Let me tell y'all, I'm tired. So I went, okay, I got the stuff here. And I got a Walmart bag. I want to show you that too. I went to one thrift store. It's called The Attic. That's what it's called here in my town. I'm not sure, and don't quote me because I have no idea. I should ask. I should have asked. I don't know why I didn't ask. I left two things behind. And I'm going to get your opinion. You tell me if I should run back and get them. I might run back and get them. Like, I might go tomorrow. If they're there tomorrow, then they were meant for me. If they're not there tomorrow, then they weren't meant for me. But I want to show you what I got. And I'm going to remake all these things. Like, I'm going to re-zhuzh them up. So, to start off with, I love these. I had these back in the day. Do you all remember these? They're, you put, now these, I guess they were from Hobby Lobby way back when. They're in they're in great condition, y'all. I'm going to paint these. They were $3, and I got two. Look how beautiful these are. These are really, really nice. So I got two of these. They're really nice. I can't wait to paint them. I'm going to go get some chalk paint or fusion paint or something like that and paint them up. Okay, then when I was in that thrift store, because I need art, I need stuff for my walls. I mean, I need everything, really. Okay, I got this little painting. I think someone made this, but it is so cute. Look how cute that is for the kitchen, right? Okay, now, I'm not going to change this because I just think it's so perfect. Like, I love it. I love it. I love the crackling there. I like the little details. I mean, I could put a little antique wax on it to darken it a bit if I wanted. Maybe I'll do that. I might test it up here. But somebody made this, y'all. Somebody made this. And they hang it. Oh, I'm sorry. They have it hung like this. Well, that's adorable. I didn't think of it like that. Oh, Lord, Bella. Okay, it was $2. Oh, and those were $3 each. $3? You can't go wrong with that. Now I want to show you what I love what I got from the thrift store. Oh my God. So, and the reason why I went thrifting is because of y'all and Angela. Y'all and Angela said to me, try thrifting because you can get a lot of stuff inexpensively. And I'm telling you, I agree. I agree with you all. So I got this. Another thing that I got for my kitchen, and I love this, is this. Oh, it's upside down. Do you see that? Is that not beautiful? I mean, a little rub and buff on this frame just to add some pizzazz. I don't know where this is from. I bet you this is Hobby Lobby old. But look, it's got the wire in the back. It's just hanging up. I'm done. It's so pretty. So you can see my light ring. $4. A pack of gum. Seriously, y'all, that's like a pack of gum now. I mean, $4. I love this thrifting, I'm telling you. I think I'm going down a rabbit hole that I've never gone down before. I I I I love the thrill of a good bargain. I love this, like, the challenge of finding something. Are y'all feel like that? Like, do y'all feel like that? Like, is this something? Well, anyways, okay, the next thing I think is very cool. I think this is a very cool. It's a little damaged, but it's very cool. Okay, it is this. It is a painting like that, and it's mixed media, so you can. Okay, if you know, y'all, this is from Hobby Lobby. God knows when, but it is, or somewhere, because it says original price $69.99. No, ma'am, I wouldn't. First of all, I would never paid $69. So it's got like burlap here and here. I don't know if you could see. It's got raised detail down there and up there. And this is wood. And it's got a real wrought iron thing in it. And this is a wrought. Now, it needs to be glued again. And it needs to be glued here, which is nothing because I can do that. And I got it for $4. And I love these bluey, greeny colors, like you can see there. And I like the taupes and the beiges. And my camera just moved. So yeah, that's what I got. I can't wait to play with these and see where I'm gonna style them and move stuff around in the house. And I just want to challenge myself. I want to challenge myself. To be really, really creative. Oh, speaking of challenges, I'm gonna give you my designer tip. Okay, so you saw in one of the clips that I started putting the curtains up. Look how pretty this sheer looks so high end, y'all. I mean, once I got it up on the curtain rod, I was like floored. It is so high end looking. I'm gonna put it here so you can see. So it's the 84-inch sheer panel, rod pocket, beige, it says. 50 by 84 inches, and it's sheer. And this better be the same that yeah. Thank God. Okay, so I bought the ring clips. I'm not going to show you in this video because we'll do it in the next video. But I thought when I opened this, it had 2 panels, but I didn't read because I was just so excited, and that's how I am. I didn't read. It only had 1 panel, so I went back and got another. And then I got more ring clips because I don't know what I was thinking in my brain, but I'll show it to you in the next video when I put this up. Because I'm going to do a little living room refresh, and I want to do a little winter decor. Y'all, don't talk to me about Valentine's Day because I don't like Valentine's Day. Just don't. I don't like Valentine's Day. I know everybody loves Valentine's Day, and I just don't like Valentine's Day. I don't know why. I never have. It's not that I don't love love. Oh my God, I love love. Please, all the love in the world. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Tell me you love me, but tell me you love me every day. Every day. I don't want to hear it once a year on February 14th. Okay, I know I'm rambling. Anyways, thank you for spending some time with me today, and thank you for letting me show you my crazy haul, and thank you for following along on my adventures. I cannot wait to show you the rest of the stuff. I cannot wait to go back to the thrift store and see what else we can pick up and see what we're going to do with these little items that we bought. I'm going to get some greenery. I'm going to go to Walmart for that. Or maybe Dollar Tree. I don't know. We'll see wherever I land. So I'm going to do all that. And I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. I'm going to come back this week for sure. I want to have a video up for y'all maybe Thursday or Friday. That's what I'm thinking. I'm hoping anyways. I'm thinking and hoping. So today's Tuesday. So happy Tuesday. Happy New Year. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, y'all. I can't believe it's 2024. I'm floored. I'm floored. I'm floored. I'm floored. Anyways, I love you all so very, very much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Mwah.